Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Sam Fischer here with us. I believe this is the first time on Garden Guitar. We had different Sams here, Sam Fender, Sam Ryder, and so on. So it's about time now for Fischer. And this one is called All My Lovin'. So a great song, a tempo song, and it's cool to play some different sometimes. So we'll try to cover this one, and it's pretty easy. It's only 4 chords and no need for any cape on this one. So let's start with the 4 chords. We have first the A minor. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Let's move on with F. So that's a bar on the first fret, all strings. And the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. All right, so there we have the 4 chords, and let's go through the different parts here of the song. So let's start with the first verse. You will have a chord progression that goes A minor to C to F. The first 2 rounds is a total of 4 rounds of this chord progression. First 2 rounds will be just 1 down per chord. So A minor, C, and F. Okay, and after played F, you have a longer break or pause there. Since the value of F, you will see that later, is twice as long as the other chords. So A minor, C, and F. You play that for 2 rounds. And on the 3rd and 4th round, you're gonna play down, clap for A minor. And the same for C, 2 times of down, clap, down, clap. And for F, you're gonna play for 4 rounds. So there you have the value there. It's twice as long as the other chords. So down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap. 4 times on F. You repeat that chord progression again. A minor 2 times, C 2 times, and 4 times on F. And that is the first verse. So to summarize this first verse, A minor, C, F, 1 down per chord for the first 2 rounds, and then for round 3 and 4 you play down, clap, 2 times for A minor, 2 times for C, and 4 times for F. When I do clap here, I just want to mention that for this song, I do the clap on the E string. So that means I don't kill the sound. I don't do the clap on all strings. So I let the strings ring out instead and do the clap on the E string. Yeah, sounds like this when only you do the clap, but when you play with the chords, like this, I use my thumb there to hit the clap. All right, so that's just some technique stuff there. That is the first verse, and that takes us to the pre-chorus 1. Now you're gonna continue with this down clap technique or strumming. Instead, you're gonna shift to other chords. Now it will be G 2 times, then A minor 2 times, and F 4 times. That chord progression you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So again, G, A minor, and F 4 times. That is the pre-chorus 1. And that takes us to the first chorus. All right, still the down clap technique there. Now we have a chord progression that goes C for 2 times, then D minor for 1 time, then A minor for 1 time, and F for 4 times. And I see now, I forgot to mention the D minor, so I'm gonna give you that right now. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. So you have that with you now, my mistake, but yeah. Anyway, let's do the chord progression here. C 2 times, D minor 1 time, then A minor 1 time, and F 4 times. You repeat that, C 2 times, D minor 1, A minor 1, and F4. Yeah, so that is your first chorus. And yeah, let's move on to the second verse. It's played in the same way as the second part, the round 3 and 4 from the first verse. So that means the down clap technique there. A minor 2 times, C 2 times, and F 4 times. That takes us to the second pre-chorus, played in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the second chorus. The only difference here from the first chorus is you're gonna play it for 4 rounds instead of 2 rounds. So it's twice as long, this second chorus. After the second chorus comes a bridge part, about 2 minutes and 5 seconds into the song. In the lyrics, I just need some time. Okay, so here you're just gonna play pretty basic 1 down per chord for the following chords: G, A minor, and F. And you have this break after F, since it's still twice as long, or the value is twice as much as the other chords. So you're gonna play this for 2 rounds. So again, G, A minor, and F. And that is the bridge part. 2 rounds of G, A minor, F. And that takes us to the final part, the third chorus, and that is played in the same way as the second chorus, which was 4 rounds of the chords C2, D minor 1, A minor 1, and F4. And that pretty much covers Sam Fischer's All My Loving. So yeah, hope this tutorial helped you if you like the song. And yeah, I hope to see you soon here on Gorn Guitar. So stay with me here, watch the tutorials you like, and yeah, play tuned.